Welcome to another edition of LSV Weekly, your stylish scroll through real estate, food, DIY, and lifestyle trends from across the GTA. Powered by lifestylevideos.com, we're bringing real estate lifestyle stories that move, feed, and inspire. This week's top 10 neighborhood feature takes us to the East End, Leslieville. It's where local cafes meet Victorian charm and the city's creatives call home. A blend of cool, calm, and community.
This vibrant community is perfect for families, with its quiet, safe streets and abundance of green spaces like Jimmy Simpson Park and Greenwood Park, where kids and pets can play and neighbors gather. Leslieville is also a food lover's paradise. Stroll along Queen Street East, and you'll find some of the GTA's most beloved cafes, bakeries, and boutique shops. Whether you're grabbing a morning latte at a cozy cafe or enjoying a farm-to-table dinner at a local eatery, Leslieville's thriving culinary scene never disappoints. For professionals and creatives, Leslieville's proximity to downtown Toronto makes it an ideal location.
Discover what makes Leslieville one of the GTA's most livable neighborhoods. The full countdown is streaming now at lifestylevideos.com. Next up, let's talk comfort food. In this week's LSV Originals, we whip up a cozy classic with a healthy twist, homemade gluten-free meatballs. Flavor-packed, easy to make, and weeknight approved.
First step is to mix your breadcrumbs and your milk in the bowl together. What you want to do, ideally, is let these sit for about 5-10 minutes. You really want the breadcrumbs and the milk to come together and get really gummy. They're going to form a binder that's really going to help keep our meatballs together. Next, we're going to toss in our remaining ingredients. I've got half a cup of grated onion, egg, seasonings, oil. Give these a bit of a quick stir first. Now I'm going to add the meat. I laugh because this is actually my favorite part, but it's really dirty. If you don't like touching raw meat, you could probably use your stand mixer with that big mixing hook. I find I get a better mix if I use my hands. Mix it however it makes you feel comfortable.
Want to follow along at your own pace? The full recipe and tons of easy, home-tested meals are all at lifestylevideos.com. From comfort food to clean beauty, we're all about simple upgrades this week. Ever tried making your own mouthwash? It's easier than you think and no chemicals, just natural ingredients from your kitchen.
So here I have Himalayan salt crystals. They're really beautiful, they're rich in a lot of minerals, and I've added one to my glass jar here. And to this jar, I would add boiling hot water, ideally spring water. And then I would let it sit for about an hour to an hour and a half, and this helps the salt to break down. And then you're ready to go, and you can use it as a mouthwash. So it's great to alkalize your mouth, and it neutralizes acids, which is really great. So you can use it after you've had like a citrus fruit, like grapefruit, and just use it every day as part of your oral health regimen.
The full how-to is available in our LSV Originals section, only on lifestylevideos.com. Fresh breath and fewer toxins? Yes, please. In this week's Real Estate Rewired, we're answering one of the biggest buyer questions in 2025. How much house can you really afford? It's not just about list price. Credit, interest rates, down payments, and even lifestyle choices all come into play.
In 2025, a starter home might cost more than your parents' lifetime mortgage. And condos, they're not always the cheap way in. We break it down. Income ratios, pre-approval tricks, interest rate realities. The stuff most listings won't tell you. Then there are the hidden costs, land transfer taxes, legal fees, home inspections, insurance, maintenance. They add up fast. But affordability isn't just about what you make. It's about how you plan, how you borrow, how you spend.
That's a wrap on this week's LSV Weekly. From home hacks to housing tips, we're your destination for smart living in the GTA. Like, subscribe, and explore more short films, top 10s, and real estate lifestyle features only at lifestylevideos.com. See you next time.